For years, people have joked that Buick is only for retirees or Sunday drivers. But the truth is, Buick has quietly built some of the most dependable and comfortable cars in America. While other brands chased flashy designs and fragile turbo engines, Buick focused on smooth rides, simple maintenance, and real-world reliability. These are the cars that start every morning, take you where you need to go, and do it with quiet confidence. So today, we're taking a closer look at 5 Buick cars that truly deserve more respect. Models that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to drive something refined, solid, and built to last. Let's start with one of the most overlooked American sedans of the last decade, the Buick Lacrosse 2014 to 2019. While other brands focused on flashy SUVs and complex turbo engines, Buick quietly built a car that stands for comfort, simplicity, and long-term reliability. Most versions came with a smooth 3.6-liter V6 and 6-speed automatic transmission, known for strong performance and durability. Some early trims offered a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder E-Assist hybrid, reaching up to 29 mpg on the highway, while the V6 averaged around 23 mpg combined. Inside, the Lacrosse feels premium. Soft leather seats, a quiet cabin, and features like heated seats, dual-zone climate control, navigation, and adaptive cruise in higher trims. According to RepairPal, the 2014 Lacrosse holds a 4.0 by 5 reliability score, with an average maintenance cost of about $490 per year, much lower than European rivals. Consumer Reports praised its quiet ride and comfort, while owners on KBB highlight low upkeep and solid quality even after 100,000 miles. Sure, the trunk is a bit small and the infotainment can glitch occasionally, but overall, it's a sedan that feels refined and dependable without the luxury price tag. The Lacrosse deserves more respect because it proves that real comfort and quality don't need big logos, just honest engineering and a calm, confident drive. Let's move to one of Buick's quiet heroes, the Encore, especially the models from 2016 to 2020. It's the kind of SUV built for people who just want a comfortable, easy car that doesn't ask for much. Small on the outside, but roomy enough inside, the Encore is perfect for daily errands or relaxed highway drives. Under the hood, it uses a 1.4-liter turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's not built for speed, but it's smooth, quiet, and gets about 27 miles per gallon combined, sometimes close to 30 on the highway, which is great for a compact SUV. Inside, it's pure Buick comfort. Even the basic trims have soft seats and excellent sound insulation. And starting from 2017, you get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims add heated seats, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert, giving it that premium feel without the premium price. Now here's the good part. According to RepairPal, the Encore has a 4 out of 5 reliability rating and costs around $470 per year to maintain. That's cheaper than most small luxury SUVs, and many owners on KBB praise how dependable and easy to drive it is. Sure, the engine isn't a powerhouse, and you've got to keep up with oil changes since it's a turbo, but take care of it and it'll reward you with years of worry-free driving. The Encore deserves more respect because it quietly does everything right. It's easy to live with, comfortable to the core, and reminds you that luxury doesn't have to be loud, it just has to last. Now let's talk about the Buick Enclave. From 2014 to 2018, the big family SUV that proves Buick can do comfort and reliability at the same time. If you've ever driven one, you know it feels more like a luxury cruiser than a typical crossover. Smooth ride, quiet cabin, and enough space for everyone, that's what the Enclave is all about. Under the hood carries Buick's well-known 3.6-liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's the same setup found in many GM vehicles, and it's proven to be tough when properly maintained. Power sits around 288 horsepower, enough to move this large SUV confidently. Fuel economy averages 18 miles per gallon combined with about 22 on the highway, which is pretty fair for a 3-row SUV. Inside, the Enclave feels more upscale than most competitors from that time. You get 3 rows of seats, space for 7 or 8 passengers, leather upholstery, tri-zone climate control, rear-view camera, and even heated and cooled seats on higher trims. It's the kind of car built for comfort on long trips, quiet, soft, and relaxing. According to RepairPal, the Enclave scores 3.5 out of 5 in reliability, and the average maintenance cost sits around $720 per year, which is reasonable for a large SUV in this class. Consumer Reports mentions that owners praise its smoothness and quiet ride, though a few report minor issues with suspension parts or sensors after high mileage. The Enclave deserves more respect because it's not trying to impress anyone. It just delivers comfort, space, and durability year after year. For families or retirees who want a solid SUV that feels luxurious without the luxury brand headaches, this Buick hits the sweet spot perfectly.
Let's talk about one of the most underrated sedans Buick ever made, the Buick Verano, especially the models from 2014 to 2017. This was Buick's compact luxury car, designed for people who wanted something smaller and more affordable, but still quiet, solid, and smooth classic Buick qualities in a smaller package. Under the hood, most Verano models came with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission producing around 180 horsepower. It's not a fast car, but it's extremely smooth and reliable. Some sportier trims had a 2.0-liter turbo with extra punch, but the naturally aspirated 2.4 is the better choice for long-term dependability. Fuel economy averages about 24 miles per gallon combined, and it runs on regular gas, another plus for budget-minded drivers. Inside, the Verano feels more premium than you'd expect for its size. You get soft materials, great sound insulation, and features like dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth, rear camera, and even heated leather seats on higher trims. It's quiet, comfortable, and built for the kind of driver who wants a peaceful ride, not constant repairs. According to RepairPal, the Verano scores 4 out of 5 in reliability, with an average maintenance cost of around $550 per year, which is lower than most luxury compacts. Consumer Reports also notes strong owner satisfaction, mainly for its comfort and build quality. The only common complaints are minor things like a stiff rear seat or small trunk space. The Verano deserves more respect because it's proof that luxury doesn't have to be big or expensive. It's simple, elegant, and dependable. The kind of car that just keeps doing its job year after year without asking for attention.
If you're enjoying this list, and maybe even had one of these Buicks in your driveway before, go ahead and drop it. It really helps us keep bringing you honest, real-world car reviews. And hey, tell us in the comments, which Buick do you think deserves more respect? Maybe you've owned one that surprised you. And if you know someone thinking about buying a used car, share this video with them. It might just help them make a smarter choice. To wrap up this list, let's talk about a car that truly represents the best side of modern Buick, the Regal, especially the models from 2015 to 2017. This one is interesting because it mixes European handling with American comfort. Buick actually based the Regal on an Opel platform, which means it feels tighter on the road, more connected, and yet still gives you that smooth, quiet ride we all expect from the brand. Most Regals come with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, reliable and simple to maintain, while the 2.0-liter turbo version adds more power and personality, about 259 horsepower and 30 mpg on the highway when driven gently. It's one of those cars that can cruise comfortably but still has a little spark when you need it. The transmission is a 6-speed automatic, known for being sturdy if serviced on time. Inside, the Regal feels like a true near-luxury sedan. You get leather seats, dual-zone climate control, touchscreen with CarPlay and Android Auto, and available all-wheel drive on higher trims, a rare feature for this class. Buick also focused heavily on noise reduction, so even after years on the road, it still feels refined and quiet. Now, let's talk reliability and costs. According to RepairPal, the Regal holds a 4 out of 5 reliability rating, with an average yearly maintenance cost around $560, which is excellent for a mid-size sedan with this level of equipment. Consumer Reports and iSeeCars both note that the Regal ages well, especially the 2.4 models, which tend to reach high mileage with minimal issues. So why does the Regal deserve more respect? Because it's the perfect middle ground. Stylish without being flashy, comfortable without being soft, and powerful without being fragile. It's a car made for people who appreciate balance, not trends. The Regal proves that Buick can build something elegant, dependable, and quietly confident. Exactly the kind of car that makes you proud every time you turn the key. So that's 5 Buicks that quietly remind us what real car making feels like: comfort, simplicity, and durability. No noise, no drama, just good engineering that stands the test of time. Buick may not shout for attention, but these cars earn it the honest way, by lasting,